My brothers and sisters, come closer. It is me, your friend and brother, Victor Isibor. Yes, now, this random guy on YouTube that likes to expose to you loopholes in online businesses that network marketer who is after referral bonus will never tell you. I am the one that will always tell you. Remember, I am not an investment advisor. This is just my hobby, okay? If you need professional advice, go and look for a professional financial advisor, okay? Do your own research as well. Now, there's this one that is trending in Nigeria now. They call them the NHIRE Group, okay? So I have looked at it, I have analyzed it, and I will give you the result of my analysis. I will not take you through step by step on the website what they are saying so that the video will not be too long. I know that you were watching one movie or you were eating before you decided to watch this video. So I want you to be able to quickly go back to what you were doing. So I'll rush this one. Now, they say that they are earn higher, okay? What they promise you is that you'll be able to do some task and make money. E-commerce task. They assign different prices to different e-commerce websites. And when you share the post of that e-commerce website on your social media, they are going to pay you some money. Now, that is what they say that you will be doing. But there's an important aspect that you must take note very well. In their How It Works session, look at it. I am circling it. They said, you get hired and get paid. You can contact our agents to secure workshop pass. See what they call it? Workshop pass. As low as 3,700 and as high as 7,400. Okay? That means that these people, they need you to pay before they give you their so-called job. Okay? So imagine a company like Nigeria Breweries advertise vacancy. When you get to the venue or Coca-Cola, they ask you to pay before you can get the job. Now, who needs the money? Is it the job seeker or the company that needs the money? In the era where you are buying jobs now, I do not understand. And the most important thing I am seeing here is that they are making it very attractive. Oh. See now, they are bribing you so that you bring people in. They say you can earn as much as 2,300 commission from 3,007. They are very generous when you bring in a victim. When they collect 3,007 from inside the money, they will give you what? They will give you 2,300 and they will keep 1,400 to themselves. Didn't they try? They tried now. And if you manage to convince a victim and the person comes in with 7,400, they will dash you 5,000 naira and keep 2,400 to themselves, so that by the time this platform finally disappears, that person you brought in, if the person is laying curses, the person is saying bad things, those bad things will not go only to earn higher. You that you brought them, you people shared the money together, so you people will share the cost. So if you are enjoying referral bonus from money, you will also enjoy referral bonus from courses and bad things that people who get disappointed, who get burnt from the platform, what they get. Now, they said that you can earn a salary of up to 220,000. This salary they are talking about is not the kind of salary that you know. This is when you bring people into the platform, what you earn is what they are calling salary. Let me counterpunch real quickly so that you will know and you will prepare your mind. Remember, they are paying indirect bonus too. That means if you drag your neighbor in and your neighbor drags in their church member that you don't know before, you will also earn from that the unknown church member 200. Okay, from unknown church member who comes in with 7,400, you will earn 1,000 naira. So they pay 2 levels deep of referral bonus. Okay, this is designed so that you would be gingered and motivated to bring in your friends, enemies, neighbors, and colleagues, so that by the time this platform collapses, your name will spoil globally. You'll be ashamed to move around your neighborhood because you have dragged people into a platform. And let me ask you, who are the owners of this NHIRE? I have gone through their website. They gave no information about their address. They gave no information about who they are. So that by the time they disappear, you will have no address to trace and you have no name to call. It is only your own name. You that you are looking for salary without applying for a job. It is your name that will spoil in your community. I have not seen any company offering employment opportunity and salary without asking for CV. I have gone around this website. There's no way they are talking about where to drop CV or how to attend the interview. Now, let me bust your bubble. This is not different from NNU. Nigerian News Updates is the first to do this kind of thing, where they will gather young people together and they will tell you, when you bring in so and so amount of money, so and so amount of money is paid to your upline. When your upline brings, another thing will be given to them. So they will try to package the pyramid scheme so that it will not look as if everything that you are doing is just referral. So NNU now lies that they are doing skills acquisition, so that when you join, they will send a bunch of randomly downloaded PDF files into your DM, into your mailbox, as if they have empowered you with skills. How to rear rabbit, how to rear cockroach PDF, how to rear mosquito PDF. PDF that if you read it from now till tomorrow, you will not understand. Even those that sent the PDF to you, NNU, they didn't understand the PDF. They just dumped it in your mailbox and you are happy. Hey, skills acquisition. That is just the mask that they are using to cover the pyramid scheme that is underneath. Now, you see Prime Shares is there doing the same thing too. Those ones are collecting 4,000 naira from people. Lenify is there. All these are just referral based opportunities with a pyramid mask, but they would be lying that they are doing some other things. Now, NHIRE tried to be different. You know why? They are using words like salary. You see, they want to confuse us. They are disguising. Now, they are using words like skills acquisition. Now, with NNU and the other ones, they will say login bonus. When you share something on your social media post, you will get so and so amount of money. Now, NHIRE is lying that they are in affiliation with e-commerce site. When you advertise the product, you will make money. Is it not when you advertise a product? Is it not when you sell through that product that you make money? We have all done affiliate marketing. It is only when a prospective buyer uses your affiliate link to sell that you will now make money and you will now earn commission. But with this NHIRE own, they will say the moment you just share, you will already make the money. Where is the money coming from when nobody has bought? So by just sharing something on my WhatsApp status, that means it is already sold. Now, wow. Now, let me tell you something. I know that you people are joining this platform because you are seeing a lot of payment proofs. And there's one guru on TikTok with 500,000 followers on TikTok that is sharing payment proof. And you are saying, oh, it is working. Wake up. Let me wake up. Let me open your brain to something. That person advertising this platform to you is an influencer with plenty people following them. And this is the best way to make money on all these platforms. It is what? Referral. If you think that you will join this platform and make money and cash out without referral, you must be dreaming. Sakpa is about to strike you. You will be sacrificed. If you think you can join this platform and make money without referring, you are just dreaming, because this is how you can make money, and this is how money is being made on this platform. You see all those tasks that they say you should share on your social media, you think you will make money through those ones, you will wait for eternity. And let me tell you, even the payment of all those tasks, they can make it maybe once a month. But the payment of referral bonus, they will make it every day or even weekly, because that is how money is being made. And eventually, platforms like this, they eventually collapse and close shop and go. And this platform, they are even lying about who they are. Say, who they are, who are you people? When you click on contact us, you will see what will open. They are starting to claim USA. They are starting to claim Singapore. They are claiming India. Can you imagine? Singapore, India, USA. Please, so when did they start using Naira in Singapore and USA? Because we are back here now. I am seeing 120,000 Naira. Oh, sorry. I don't read the news again. Don't mind me, Victor Isibor. I'm always doing it like an illiterate. I don't read the news again. America has started using Naira. Singapore has started using Naira, and India too. Nigeria has colonized them. This new president of Nigeria is really working. Guys, these guys are even trying to, impersonate all those companies, because if you look at the name that I saw there, it has nothing to do with NHIRE. You're saying that you are NHIRE, but we are seeing we hire here. You and who hire? Me, I don't hire anybody. You say we hire. You that you're watching this video, did you hire? I did not hire before our money will enter inside fire. That is the end of my review. Give this video a like, share it within your social media community. Abeg, subscribe so that you will be notified when I do another video. Till I see you next time, I remain Victor Isibor. Sakpa will not hold us. Bye bye.